Hello, we'd like to present the Mac Bullet Valve 307 and its various possibilities. This valve is designed for applications with space restrictions. We can notice in this case that the diameter of the valve is smaller than a pen. The external diameter is 7 mm. Since it is a small valve, internal components have very limited movements. This allows extremely fast response times. Small valve imply less internal frictions with consequently reduced wear. The BV307 is a valve with long life expectancy and is among the fastest valves developed by Mac Valves. For the measurements of the response times, we will fit this BV307 on a testing block. In port number 1 is the air supply. In port number 2 is the cylinder port. In this case, we use a pressure sensor in a closed volume. Port number 3 is the exhaust and it is open to atmosphere. The measured energized response times, which is the time between the electrical signal is given and the moment the valve starts to open, is 830 microseconds. The de-energized response time, which is the time between the electrical signal is switched off and the valve is closing, is only 492 microseconds. Response times are extremely repeatable and do not vary despite changes of the inlet pressure. Also, we'd like to show you a frequency test with our BV307. We start with 10 Hz and an on-time signal of 0.8 milliseconds. We increase the frequency by 10 Hz to achieve first 100 Hz, 200 Hz and 300 Hz. These are the most common frequencies in regular operation conditions, but if your application needs to be faster, we're able to achieve 5, 6, 7, 800, 900, 1000 Hz. So 1000 opening and closing per second. This valve design can be easily adapted to meet your application requirements. Thank you for watching. For more information, don't hesitate to contact your local MDN distributor. For that, visit www.macvalve.com/distributors.